Morning students, this is the continuation of the polar coordinates type 3. Show that integral 0 to 4a and integral y square by 4a to y x square minus y square by x square plus y square into dx dy equals to 8a square into pi by 2 minus 5 by 3 by changing into polar coordinates. Very important problem and lengthy problem. Listen carefully. So we have to show that this answer, but we have to evaluate this integration and show that the answer for this integration is this. We have to show that, and by changing into polar coordinates. So changing into polar coordinates means we have to change x limits, y limits into r comma theta limits, r limits, theta limits, that is polar coordinates. Changing into polar coordinates by putting x equals to r cos theta and y equals to r sin theta, dx dy equals to r dr d theta. This is polar coordinates. So first we have to take what are the x limits and what are the y limits. From the x limits, y limits, we have to change r limits. Problem we have to convert into r comma theta. Then we have to integrate the problem. So from the given problem, we don't know which one is x limits and which one is y limits. 0 to 4a is the constant limits and y square by 4a to y are variable limits. These are variable limits and is also in terms of y. So obviously these limits are belongs to x limits. So x equals to y square by 4a to y, and obviously remaining limits are y limits. Y equals to 0 to 4a. So x square minus y square by x square plus y square dx dy. So therefore y limits are y equals to 0 to y equals to 4a, and x limits are x equals to y square by 4a to x equals to a. Now we have to change these limits into polar coordinates and find the integration. So changing into polar coordinates by putting x equals to r cos theta and y equals to r sin theta, dx dy equals to r dr d theta. This is the changing into polar coordinates concept. So since x equals to y square by 4a, so from these x equals to r cos theta and y equals to r sin theta, directly we can't find r limits and theta limits. In this case we have to substitute these values in any of the limit. Okay, this is y equals to 0, we can substitute here. Y equals to 4a, these are constant limits, so we can't substitute. So x equals to a constant, so obviously we have to substitute here because x equals to y square by 4a. Now we have to substitute x value, y value here. From this we can find r limits or theta limits, or any r limits only we can find this. Theta limits in the region is in which quadrant. From this we can find the theta limits. I repeat once again. X equals to changing into polar coordinates by putting x equals to r cos theta, y equals to r sin theta, dx dy equals to r dr d theta. In these limits, previous problem, the any one of the limit is in the form of squares. Okay, from that we can find the radius. So from the radius we can find the r limits here, but the limits are not in the form of squares. So in this case we have to substitute x value, y value in the limit. Okay, observe the previous problem and this problem, you can clearly understood. So since x equals to y square by 4a, so substitute x value r cos theta and y value r sin theta, y square r square sin square theta by 4a. Take this to left side and cross multiplication. R 4a cos theta minus r square sin square theta equals to 0. So take r value common. 4a cos theta minus r sin square theta equals to 0. R equals to 0 and r equals to 0 and 4a cos theta minus r sin square theta equals to 0. Take r sin square theta equals to 4a cos theta. R equals to 4a cos theta by sin square theta. So therefore r limits are r equals to 0 to r equals to 4a cos theta by sin square theta. Like this we can find the r limits. Now we have to find the theta limits. See, since given that y equals to 0, on the axis y equals to 0 means this is, okay, the region is y equals to 0, the lower limit becomes 0, that means the region is in the positive quadrant. The region is in the positive quadrant. And also given that x equals to, here x equals to y, x equals to y square by 4a to x equals to y. So x equals to y. So x equals to y means it's a straight line. Okay, so in this positive quadrant, from x equals to y to remaining, so this is angle is pi by 4 to pi by 2. The angle is pi by 4 to pi by 2. Now I repeat once again. On the axis, since if you observe the limits y equals to 0, lower limit become y equals to 0. Lower limit becomes 0, that means the region is in the positive quadrant. And also one limit is x equals to y. X equals to y means a straight line, x equals to y. Okay, so that means from x equals to y to this region, okay, positive quadrant, from this region with respect to this region. So this region is located at angle pi, theta equals to pi by 4 to pi by 2. So therefore theta limits theta equals to pi by 4 to pi by 2. Now r limits are r equals to 0 to r equals to 4a cos theta by sin square theta, and theta limits are theta equals to pi by 4 to theta equals to pi by 2. So pi by 4 and pi by 2 are the constant limits and r limits are variable limits. So first you have to write the constant limits. Theta equals to pi by 4 to pi by 2 and r equals to 0 to 4a cos theta by sin square theta, and the given problem is x square minus y square. X square means x equals to r cos theta. So if you substitute x value, r square cos square theta minus r square sin square theta by r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta. Dx dy means r dr d theta. So take r common, r square into cos square theta minus sin square theta by r square into cos square theta plus sin square theta, r dr d theta. R square get cancelled. Finally we have cos square theta plus sin square theta equals to 1. So finally we have remaining value is cos square theta minus sin square theta into r dr d theta. First we have to integrate with respect to r, since r limits are variable limits. Later we have to integrate with respect to theta, since theta limits are constant limits. So first I am going to integrate with respect to r, since r limits are variable limits. So cos square theta minus sin square theta is constant, since we are going to integrate with respect to r. So integral r equals to 0 to 4a cos theta by sin square theta into r dr into d theta. So integral theta equals to pi by 4 to pi by 2 cos square theta minus sin square theta. Integral r means r square by 2. Limits r equals to 0 to 4a cos theta by sin square theta into d theta. 1 by 2 is constant, take 1 by 2 outside. Integral theta equals to pi by 4 to pi by 2 cos square theta minus sin square theta, and substitute upper limit minus lower limit. So these are r limits. So substitute upper limit 4a cos theta by sin square theta whole square minus 0 whole square means 0 into d theta. So 1 by 2 integral theta equals to pi by 4 to pi by 2 cos square theta minus sin square theta whole square, 4a whole square means 16a square cos square theta by sin square theta whole square and sines to the power of 4 theta d theta. So 16a square constant, take 2 outside. 16a square by 2 integral theta equals to pi by 4 to pi by 2 cos square theta minus sin square theta into cos square theta by sin to the power of 4 theta theta, multiplying to each term. So cos square theta into cos square theta by sin to the power of 4 theta means cos to the power of 4 theta by sin to the power of 4 theta, minus sin square theta into cos square theta by sin to the power of 4 theta. So square 2 times get cancelled. Remaining we have cos square theta by sin square theta. Cos to the power of 4 theta by sin to the power of 4 theta means cot to the power of 4 theta minus sin minus cot square theta into d theta. So finally we have remaining 8a square into theta equals to pi by 4 to pi by 2 cot to the power of 4 theta minus cot square theta into d theta. We can't integrate directly cot to the power of 4 theta. We don't have any formula integral of cot to the power of 4. So we know that trigonometric formula cot square theta equals to cosecant square theta minus 1. So to use this formula, just we have to take cot to the power of 4 theta. We can write in terms of cot square theta into cot square theta. Irrespective of writing cot square theta, we write just cosecant square theta minus 1. Since cot square theta equals to cosecant square theta minus 1, just I am taking 1 cot square theta equals to cosecant square theta minus 1 minus cot square theta minus 1. Cot square theta into cosecant square theta minus cot square theta. Cot square theta into cosecant square theta minus cot square theta, and remaining minus cot square theta d theta. So minus cot square theta minus cot square theta equals to 2 cot square theta d theta. So now just splitting the integration, 8a square integral theta equals to pi by 4 to pi by 2 cot square theta into cosecant square theta d theta minus 8 2s are 16a square into integral theta equals to pi by 4 to pi by 2 cot square theta into d theta. 8a square integral theta equals to pi by 4 to pi by 2 cot square theta into cosecant square theta d theta equal d theta minus 16a square. We don't have directly integral of cot square theta formula. We just write cot square theta as cosecant square theta minus 1. So now next, again splitting the integration, 8a square cot square theta minus cosecant square theta d theta minus 16a square into cosecant square theta d theta minus into minus plus 16a square integral 1 into d theta. Now for this 8a square integral theta equals to pi by 4 to pi by 2 cot square theta into cosecant square theta d theta minus 16a square into integral cosecant square theta d theta plus 16a square into integral d theta. We have the formula integral of cosecant square theta, integral of d theta. We don't have directly this. So to calculate this, we use the substitution method. Put cot theta equals to t. Okay, derivative, take the differentiation both sides. Cot theta, derivative of cot theta is minus cosecant square theta d theta equals to dt. So cosecant square theta d theta equals to minus dt. So again we have to change the limits also. Lower limit. What is lower limit here? Total problem we are converting into in terms of t by taking cot theta equals to t. Now if theta equals to pi by 4, substitute theta value here. If theta equals to pi by 4, cot pi by 4 equals to t. Cot pi by 4 value is 1. So t equals to 1. In the same way, upper limit. If theta equals to pi by 2, cot pi by 2 equals to t, t equals to 0. So substitute these values in the first integration. Okay, in 8a square integral, lower limit is 1, upper limit is 0. Cot theta is taking cot theta equals to t. So t square. Cosecant square theta d theta equals to minus dt. So minus dt. Next integration we take directly, minus 16a square. We know integral of cosecant square theta d theta equals to minus cot theta. Limits theta equals to pi by 4 to pi by 2 plus 16a square. Integral of d theta means theta. Lower limit, upper limit. So we know minus of minus b to a f of x into dx equals to integral a to b f of x into dx. We know this formula. So here minus is there. Okay, minus of integral 1 to 0, as we can take integral of 0 to 1. Limits are changing. Upper limit has lower limit has upper limit. Okay. Integral theta equals to 0 to 1 t square dt minus into minus plus 16a square into, substitute the upper limit cot pi by 2 minus lower limit cot pi by 4 plus 16a square into upper limit minus lower limit. Integral of t square means t cube by 3, limit 0 to 1 plus 16a square, cot pi by 2 value 0 minus cot pi by 4 value is 1. plus 16a square multiplying with this 16a square pi by 2 minus 16a square pi by 4. So 8a square, substitute upper limit lower limit 1 0, upper limit 1 1 by 3 minus lower limit 0 0 minus plus in 0 plus into minus minus 16a square plus 2 8s are 16, 8a square pi minus, just taking in terms of 8 because we have to show the answer 8a square, so only cancel 2 only, we get 8 because of to get the answer 8. So 2 8s are 2 2s are 8a square pi by 2. So in each and every term we can take 8, we have 8, so we can take 8a square common. If you take 8a square common, 8a square 1 by 3 minus, if you take 8a square we get 2 plus pi minus pi by 2. Okay, next 8a square into 1 by 3 minus 2 plus pi minus pi by 2. Just take the LCM for this and LCM for this. LCM 3, 1 minus 6 by 3 plus 2 pi minus pi by 2 minus 5 by 3 plus pi by 2. So 8a square into pi by 2 minus 5 by 3. I hope everyone understood this problem. This is very important problem. All of you please prepare very well because we will have the exams on June ending. So please be prepared everyone. Thank you.